Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to be explaining how to use the Android version 10 on a A3 ZTE Blade Prime. Now this was a visible phone, but I just want to go through a quick view to show you how to record your screen and audio. So once you've booted it up, all you have to do is pull down from the top to pull up your menu options. In the list of menu options, you're going to want to click on this little bar here in the middle towards the top. You should be able to just scroll to the left or right and click on record screen. That would be this right here. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see the bar up in the top right underneath my percentage battery where it says recording, pause, and stop. It also shows a microphone. You can move this bar around as much as you want, and that is how you record the screen on a phone running Android 10. Now I believe this is Android stock version 10. It's been a while since I played around on Android, since Jelly Bean and Lollipop and whatnot. So let me go into my system here, or actually about phone. This is the ZTE Blade A3 Prime. As I said, I'm going through Visible with Verizon. Actually, it's a prepaid service through Verizon. I'll talk about Visible on another one of my videos, but see, this is the Android version 10. And that is how you record your screen with audio on your phone with the Android stock version 10. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.